Allah says in Surah Azab, chapter 33, verse 59, O Prophet, tell your wives and your daughters and the believing women, when they go abroad, they should put on the cloak so that they shall be recognized. So hijab has been prescribed to prevent the women from being molested, to protect them. So Quran has the solution for obscenity, for eavesdropping, for pornography. Quran has the solution for the bribery and corruption. Allah says in Surah Baqarah chapter 2 verse 188, eat up not wealth amongst yourselves or use it as a bait for judges in order that willfully, wrongfully you will eat other people's wealth. So giving money as bribe is prohibited in the Quran. Quran has the solution for economy. Allah says in no less than 8 places riba has been prohibited. And Allah says in Surah Baqarah chapter 2 verse number 278 and 279 about riba, about interest, that those who give up not the demands of riba, demands of interest and usury, take notice of a war from Allah and His Rasul. That means Allah and His Rasul will wage a war against you if you deal in riba. It is the 12th major sin in Islam according to Imam Adabi in his book The Kabair, the major sin.